Oh, buddy. What's up? We have made it back to Hawaii once again. The Schmidster has picked me up from the airport. I think it's time for a Pokeball. Sup? Oh, tanning. We're here at the beach, gonna hop in the water. Beautiful day. I just finished eating Pioneer Saloon. That is a new go-to. That place was fire. They had a huge menu. Nice vibe in there. Definitely gonna go back there. All right, the boys are out. I'm about to be outside. The boys are out. We're meeting up with Reef, and my cousin actually surprised me today. Pulled up on us, Kyle. He's a character. You'll see him. We meet up with some of Reef's friends, grab dinner, go to someone's house, play some games, some baseball, some rage cage, some little this, little that, I don't know, but fuck it. We're gonna have a good time.
You're damn right, people. Follow along.
Kyle's first video appearance.
What's going on here, brother?
You putting my sauce on, dude?
Got Reef's dad watching the video. Oh man on a mission. Kyle's just getting started.
Fucking tweet to start off.
First drink of the night. What are you getting?
I don't know what to get. These tall boys are tough. My only option. Lucky me. It's a bad day to be a high noon, I'll tell you that.
Going to fucking Chili's, baby.
I was blacking out before we leave Chili's.
He's on 3, technically.
Oh, geez.
Oh no.
Number 2.
Thank you, brother. Does it clap or does it clap? I don't think it gets better than this.
Oh no.
I'm in the background, but I'm putting up numbers up.
Probably me. Thank you. Where the straws out. I'm gonna crash out. Keep the dab.
Tell him what's up, Chapo. The man's got a ball on the cup still, man. Let's get into the fucking game.
Go. You're almost done. Down. Give the touch back. Down. Go. Oh my god. Down. Give me that shit.
Literally, like, I don't even think the cops hear the sound.
I didn't ask for
But it's like literally
This hop's in the driveway. Get it.
Oh shit.
stop.
Alright, well I guess that's the end of the game. We were winning when it ended, so.
Bro, there's no drinks to finish.
Oh, I meant to like just get your attention.
Last time you tried to get my attention, you put your finger in my ass too.
Was good. Boat day with the bitches. If the Lakers beat the Nuggets,
So,
I'm getting as
you
fucked up as Finn times 2.
Above 30.
It's looking good.
My name is Finn. I'm on drink number 1 for today. Get in, bitch.
Do you feel hungover?
Yeah. There's one shot that I poured you that was like 5 shots in one, and you just downed.
What the fuck? I don't care. Finn, I have to show you this video. Nope. Don't fucking show me. Oh, no! Don't show me it!
No, we gotta.
No, I don't want to see that shit.
We
Please,
gotta
please. This is actually genuinely torture, bro. Like, don't fucking show me that shit. I'm not joking.
Funny.
Number 1. Love that sound.
Ready to fucking get in the water, boys. Goddamn, cure the hangover.
I can't swim.
I was literally just telling them about that.
Oh,
Cheers. $123, 100. So you guys know what that means. We talked about it earlier. We're getting fucking blackout. Oh, we're gonna keep going. Another sip. We gotta keep it going. We're about to hit Scarlett's tonight, and he's coming.
Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Beautiful day though. Fun time on the boat. Got all the boys out here.
You guys. Lakers up 23, bitch ass boy. I don't give a fuck. We're getting lit. We're winning